Premium.com. You know what it is, man. Am I arrogant or conceited? For the self-love, some of y'all need it. All I see is Botox and nose jobs. You don't know yourself, hope you know God. And I done been through a whole lot. Struggle that you fuck boys wouldn't know about. If I dwelled on it, I'd probably smoke rocks. I just listen to God when he tell me I'm gon' pop, amen. And I used to not know my worth, and it all made sense when I read one verse. Then it all got clear when I wrote one verse. I could use this gift to reverse this curse in the hood. Well, a lot of folks hate they self, and they all think freedom is wealth or disease in itself. You just gotta believe in yourself, Kendrick. I think the people in need of your help. We ain't motherfucking done, man. Let's get into the next joint. Look, Uncle died on the spot. Mo Love 2 CEO got shot. Right around the same time my folks split up. Down for the count, haters ain't want me to get up.
Real shit.
Yep, now I'm putting my own tapes out. X-Label makes try and dish hate out. Shit, and I was so caught up in the grind, didn't even know my girl was snorting heroin lines. Man, now I'm back in the A trying to get on. Preem Core Dice trying to let the dream live on. Yep, and now I'm rocking with Bago. He showed me how the game go, exclude no angles. Yep, he introduced me to the legends. So keep it 2 cents if it ain't a fucking investment. You slackers can't tell me nothing about the grind. Ain't never seen the grind, but me though. DBSSounds.com. What up, Dope Tobago?
Everybody, this shit here for everybody. Everybody. Hey, I'm right back at them. I said this shit here.
Everybody say they got bars and wanna be a star, but everybody don't sacrifice it all. Everybody put a couple mediocre tracks on a CD, do that make that a mixtape? Nah. And everybody wanna move raw until they get popped and they handing everybody to the law. And everybody claim to be real, so loyal, but on the low try and fuck everybody broad. And ain't nobody on my level, that's facts. And everybody know I ain't talking the volume on the track. And ain't nobody trying to get smacked, but he is trying to press everybody, now he laying on his back. And real talk, I don't fuck with everybody, cause that's the type of shit that got squirrel body. And y'all a bunch of lames, a bunch of nobodies. I'm on my king shit, bitch, I think I'm Yo Gotti. Now everybody wanna throw shade on their Facebook page, but ain't nobody trying to catch a fade. And everybody think the beef's all fun and games till somebody lose their life broad day. And everybody say my wife dick, she got plenty body. To get that, can't be just anybody. In other words, bitch, you gotta be me. Preem, the rapper everybody wanna be. Premium.com. You know what it is, man.